Greetings, Mary here, and I was watching a training video this morning that invited me to a very wise young lady's Facebook page. And I realized that even in my 60s, my childhood programming that no one will like me is still in effect. But realization is the first step to correction. So I will now be joining her page or following her page. I will be doing everything I can and everything that makes me uncomfortable, and I will be approaching people. So if I approach you, please understand that I'm practicing and that I really do like you and that I would like people to like me, which I think is a fairly normal human reaction. So realization is the first step towards improvement. So I am improving, and I will be improving to the end of my days. So thank you for listening, and if you would like to improve yourself, I'm a member of a team that's very good at this. So you can join me at the link below and find me on Facebook and follow my page. So I thank you much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.